Will Trogdon, Western Kentucky University. Oh, woo, woo, woo. Oh, woo, woo, woo. Got the topper game on in here. I think they're getting beat.
He's a football player. He's a lot of pride involved there. He doesn't want any help going off.
And Will ain't happy about it. He wants Western to be winning.